get that motor figured out?
Yeah, Aaron finally stopped making TikToks long enough to get it fixed.
Wasn't a TikTok. That was research. What's that?
Looks like some type of flyer. It says it's about the IHRA Triple Crown and that these cars make over 12,000 horsepower and run over 300 miles per hour.
That can't be right. Let me see that.
Bro, check this out.
12,000 horsepower, 300 plus miles an hour, and they win $1 million? This has got to be a prank.
Well, that's what I said. But
Look it up.
you gotta go.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm not messing around.